Stormy Daniels back on the witness stand today. Another dramatic day in court in former President Donald Trump's hush money trial. Defense attorneys attacking Daniels' credibility for a second day. A feisty cross-examination of Stormy Daniels in court. Former President Donald Trump's defense attorneys once again grilling the adult film actress on the stand. Several jurors looked as if though they were watching a tennis match, with their eyes shifting back and forth as things got heated. Trump also appearing to be very engaged as defense attorney Susan Nicholas tried to question Daniels' credibility and accused her of extortion. At times, Daniels defiant and defensive on the stand. Prosecutors say Trump's former lawyer, Michael Cohen, wired $130,000 to Daniels just days ahead of the 2016 election in exchange for her silence about her alleged sexual encounter with Trump back in 2006. Prosecutors allege Trump repaid Cohen and illegally characterized it as a legal expense, charging him with falsifying business records. Trump has pleaded not guilty to the charges and denies that encounter with Daniels. Nicholas asking Daniels today, "You have no personal knowledge of Trump's involvement in that agreement and what he did and didn't do." Daniels responding, "Not directly." On Tuesday, Daniels walking jurors through her alleged night with Donald Trump in explicit detail. Daniels adamant that she's telling the truth, adding that doing so has cost her, saying she's hired security and moved several times.
Stormy Daniels' job on the stand for prosecutors was just to set the scene of what happened. That was a story, was a night that Donald Trump never wanted to see come to light of day, because this is all the details of what were around it. So, mission accomplished there.
A Trump Organization bookkeeper and a HarperCollins book publisher also taking the stand today. And just minutes ago, the judge in the case denied a second attempt by the former president's legal team to get a mistrial. Prosecutors say they have about 2 weeks to go before they rest their case. That is when the defense will get their turn.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.